잔디처럼, 잔디처럼. What does it mean? If you'd notice, the word in red letters is jandi. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn about jandi. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 345. JANDI. JANDI. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is jan, second syllable is di. Pronounce it with me. JANDI. The Korean word jandi is simply the Korean term for grass. Again, jandi means grass. How do you write jandi in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable jan, we need to draw first a jiat character followed by an a character followed by a nian character. And then for the second syllable di, we need to draw first a dikat character followed by an e character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word jandi. Now let's try looking at this example. It says, like grass. Again, like grass. The Korean translation of this is jandi처럼. Again, it's jandi처럼. Jandi is our word for today and it means grass. And 처럼 is a word that is already discussed on this channel, and this is used to describe something to be like something. So when 처럼 is attached with jandi, it becomes a phrase that means like grass, or it is used to describe something like grass. Again, jandi is grass, 처럼 is used to say something is like a grass. So jandi처럼 means like grass. So looking back to this, which is flashed a while ago, we already know by now that the meaning of jandi처럼 is like grass. And with that, you've just learned jandi. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 335 to 344. But don't forget our word for today, word number 345, it's jandi, which means grass. The first word for our review is word number 344, it's 점심, which means lunch. Next word is 처럼, which means like. Next word is 어때, which means what do you think or how is. Next word is orange, which means orange. Next word is 다섯, which means number 5. Next word is 보라색, which means purple color. Next word is 배우, which means actor. Next word is 요리사, which means chef or cook. Next word is 여배우, which means actress. And the last word for our review is word number 335. It's 쓰레기, which means trash. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.